Alright, so we're here at the little aqueducts. You can see the water's coming down here. It's running pretty good. Boy, if there were fish in there, it'd be awesome. That water is super clean. And what you can see right here is this is where they're diverting it by taking out these pieces of wood that stop it up. And they're diverting water off down that way. They've got another one right here that's going to go that way if they want to do it. And you can see the amount of water kind of flowing by here. It is just awesome. It's about 2.5 to 3 foot deep, and it's moving some water. Even though that's being taken out there, that's going down there, and it's pretty good. Got a little, overpass on the road here, but this is so cool. This stuff's been here for a very, very long time, and as you can see, we're closer to the mountains up there. We're going up into the Davis Mountains. We'll get to some of that video too. But this stuff has always just stunned me on how much water is coming out of the ground at the state park, because this all comes from the state park and that Balmorhea State Park. So, and it's a big swimming hole and all that fun stuff. But they use this to water these fields, and it's just amazing. I just let you kind of take it in a little bit. I'll shut up. And that's Highway 17 right there, by the way. This water is just so clear, it's amazing. And thanks again, Ray, for these glasses. It's they're amazing.